TAT and TF specializes in zipper production and is a large-scale, privately operated, completely vertical enterprise with development, manufacturing, sales, and service, which since 1996 has over 28 international offices, a number of highly advanced production technologies, and a high-quality product. Within this profound knowledge of this field, we produce through from molding and tooling, die casting, waving, dyeing, spray painting, electroplating to zipper finishing. Generally, our zipper production can be separated into a few major production processes: fuller, tape, and teeth. Let's begin our tour with the mold development process. Our master will draw the outline of a zipper according to designer's requests. Then the slider and pull tab are assembled separately after being stamped and die cast from metal. Next, we will use a fully automatic slider assembly machine to join the parts together into a complete fuller assembly. We have in-house electroplating plants and have stable and mature technology. The monitoring of the coating thickness, abrasion, adhesion, hardness, and corrosion resistance ensures that each product will be perfect. The barrel spraying process uses a self-developed hot barrel painting process technology to ensure the accuracy and fastness of the colors. Another essential production process is the fabric part of the zipper, which is called tape. Usually it is polyester, and sometimes it is cotton. We have fully integrated and modern dyeing facilities with testing and manufacturing equipment. In our dye lab, we use an auto-data color process to help us to produce the most accurate and efficient production dyeing formula. Our zippers has a library of thousands of color formula, each including the recipe of pigments used to make sample and bulk. The zipper teeth is made of metal, plastic, or coil. To make metal zippers, factory feeds a roll of continuous tape onto a teeth machine along with a roll of copper wire. Workers then fit the two tapes with metal teeth into a jointing machine. The teeth interlock, matching two tapes and continue as a completed zip. Next stop is the gapping machine. This removes a 4 cm long section of the teeth in desired regular intervals. They are then cut at this gap, dividing the zipper into a shorter zipper at a desired length. There are two main types of zippers. Firstly, the closed-end zipper. These are zippers which don't separate at the bottom when open. These need a part called a bottom stopper, a thick piece of flat wire positioned at the base of the zipper. When you open the zipper, it stops the slider and prevents the two tapes from separating. Another type is the open-ended zipper. The two tapes will be separated at the bottom when open. These are normally found on outerwear garments, for example. At the bottom end of these zippers, the machine applies a clear reinforcement tape. This differentiates the zipper tape so that the next machine can insert the pin and box. The pin is a vertical piece of metal on one half of the zipper. It has to be aligned in the box on the other half before you can put the slider to zip up. The next machine inserts the slider. You can see as it opens each gap and hooks the slider on the track of teeth. The next machine inserts what is called the top stop, a thick piece of flat wire or nylon that stops the slider at the top of the track when you zip up all the way. Plastic zippers are made quite differently from metal ones. The tape is the same, but the teeth are made from plastic compound. The machine has individually injected molded teeth. Fused directly onto the tape of zipper, the mold cools almost instantly. The machine then stamps the teeth onto the tape, automatically gapping the desired zipper length at the same time. The automated machine installs the remaining components. The coil zipper is made of spiral plastic elements such as polyester. When the coil is positioned on the back of the zipper but not in the front, this kind of zipper is called an invisible zipper. finished sample zipper must meet textile quality controls. It is tested for laundering durability by being washed in a small amount of hot water, a significant amount of bleach, and abrasives to stimulate many washings. Zippers are also agitated with small steel balls to test the zipper coating for abrasion. These tests are usually specified by the garment and retailer. We have positive experiences with structured quality control, and we believe that it is part of a successful manufacturing process. It's our mission to put our knowledge to work for you. The barcode inventory system allows our team to perform their duties in a more efficient manner to increase accuracy and faster processing. We will continuously work hard to create highest quality zipper brand using our strong work ethic, talent, and dedication to serving the customer.
TAT developers has been actively involved in the earlier design of products for the precision zipper manufacturing and multifunctional matching zipper products. We are therefore able to provide flexible, convenient, low-cost and high-quality zippers. TAT are company you and me all the way. We are having the perception of life and making the impossible possible. We will continuously work hard to create a high-quality zipper brand using our experience, blood, youth, and sweet.